Alright, so here's another one on how to put custom files in, custom JSON files. So all the cool modded stuff to see, like all the fucking like the modded militaries, the traders, the safe zones, the stores, all that kind of stuff is what a JSON file is. So how it's done is people go on Dayz editor and make files, extract the files, and then put the files in the web interface or console. But this is how to put them in. So there's loads of different Dayz discords for modding. The most known one's probably Valkyries coding. So if you go here, it's a great Discord. You probably should join it if you try to get into modding. There's a lot of cool stuff, shows you a lot of stuff, but what we're looking at is the member shared JSON files. These are files that people have made and have put up on this Discord free for use. So you can put them on your server and go and find them and do whatever you want with them inside your server. So if we look at this, electrolights.json, this puts lights all around electro, which is pretty fucking cool to be honest. So there's stuff like that, there's just stuff you wouldn't expect, modded stuff that makes sense, that hasn't been added in the vanilla Dayz. Here's a term for California. Pretty cool. So here's nxgen.json. So the JSON's the actual build. So all the stuff you see here, the ATC tower, the barracks, the tents, all the stuff isn't usually there. That's inside the JSON file, so this file here. The XML is usually the map group POS to spawn loot inside the modded buildings, because if you don't have the map group POS, you won't be able to have stuff like guns and clothes spawning inside the modded areas. So let's test this. So click on download. It'll be up there on the top right if you're on PC. So I already have this file, so you see how it says number 2 at the end. That is not going to be there for you because you would have only downloaded it once. So I'm going to use the original file, I'm not going to use this file. But it's the same stuff. If you've got 2 files, it's going to have the number 2 at the end, but obviously I'm going to use the original file to make stuff easier. So what you want to do, go into your Dayz machines folder, and then Solaris for Solaris, Enoch for Livonia. So depending on what your server is, go on it. And then there's 2 files that you're going to need to mess with. So it's custom. This is where you put JSON files for them to spawn inside, and then you also need to put a line coding inside the CFG gameplay.json to activate it, to activate the spawn for the JSON. Now if your map group POS to add the loot inside the buildings, it's a very weird file, it won't let you edit it on the web interface, so you will probably need to do that for a PC or a laptop. But the best way to do that, I recommend, is downloading the files here. Click there, download it. Once you've got it downloaded, drag it to your desktop, whatever. So this is the POS, the original one for my server. What's probably best is if you get Netpad++, and it defines all the coding pretty well so that you don't mess stuff up. So should actually have the original file from the POS for that JSON. There it is. Below our NXGen XML, which is the map group POS for this file. So this is all the locations that the natural loot will spawn inside the building. So the loot that you get on the map, like the loot anywhere else on the map, like buildings and electro, anywhere, just anywhere on the map in general, where stuff spawns, like inside on desks, on benches, in military tents, stuff like that. This is all the codes for that exact file to get the stuff spawning inside these barracks, whatever it is. So that's what that is. That's how you edit it. All you do, copy this whole line coding, copy that, go into your map groups, go to the top, then go under maps and then paste, and that means that your loot will spawn inside the buildings. So that's pretty simple. But how to get the actual files in, you go to, so the first thing you do is go to custom file, and this is how to put the file in so that the server can't recognise it. Now, you won't have all of these are all custom files that I've got on my server right now, so you won't have none of that. But what you want to do, go to the bottom, upload file, and put inside JSON file that you downloaded. And what's cool about fucking Strado as well is this, this here, this, the web interface is pretty much a big PC, so you can edit stuff on your phone like a PC, but it's obviously easier on an actual PC laptop because there's less mistakes, there's less of a chance of fucking shit up, putting the wrong code somewhere, then the whole server being fucked up. You can do it on mobile. It's pretty fucking easy to be honest, but it's probably better if you do it on here. So what you want to do, get the file that you downloaded. So as it says, I won't use the one that literally just downloaded the original file, because I've downloaded this twice. There's the original file below at NXGen. Put that in. Course, weird. So it's there below at NXGen.
Hi. I want to offer promotion of your channel, viewers, followers, views, chatbots.
So here it's
the
here.
price is lower than any competitor.
So now it's inside the server will recognise it, but there's one other thing you need to do for it to actually spawn inside. So the name of your file, copy it, and then go back into your Chernobyl plus folder. Go to your CFG gameplay.json folder. Actually, first what you probably want to do is you probably want to go into general settings right here, and then in the general settings you have this code you can turn on, enable CFG gameplay.json, so that will activate the file for you to spawn in all the stuff and edit stuff through the actual web interface. So you need to make sure this is on and it's active. So tick that, save changes, restart the server, and then come back here. And then you'll have all this. This is all the general coding that you can do for the general, but you can also do it through the files. So base damage, stamina, drowning data, world data. So that world data is what you need. So yours will look like so yours is gonna look like this. Exactly like that. Now what you wanna do is make sure to pay attention and get this right, because if you fuck up with sitting in the CFG gameplay.json file, it pretty much fucks the whole game up. The stamina settings won't be set right, everything will just be fucked up. So set a, what do you call this again? Corner? That I forgot what the symbol's called, but like that one there. And then dot / custom / so that's telling the server, right, so we need to spawn something from inside the custom folder, and then the / after it is where you put the file that you try to put in, so right there. So it's telling the server, I need you to go into the custom folder and then get the loader nxgen.json and load it. So copy the file name to the end of the coding, and then what you want to do is put another symbol right there. I really fucking, I don't know how I forgot the name of the symbol. Quotes. So you put it in quotes, and that's it. You'd save changes, restart the server, and it would be there. Pretty cool. And as I say, you can put the map groups in, so then the loot spawns inside the modded building, which is pretty useful, man. It depends what it is that you try to spawn and where you're spawning it, and if you actually want the people getting the loot from the building. But yep, so then when you want to put more than one file in, what you need to do, put comma, and then / custom / and then the file name. To add another one, make sure you put the comma. The very last file won't have a comma after it because it's the last file. Now there's something else that you can do that's pretty cool. I'll show you how to do it right now. So we go into the. So this is myself in here. Currently inside this safe zone. It's got stools and stuff in it. I'm gonna show you something. So of course it's still lagging. Right, so if you see inside this building, right, the stream's a few seconds behind what I'm saying. So inside this building is a shotgun. That shotgun has been spawned through the original JSON folder. So the file that you just put in might have custom stuff in it, like guns and whatnot, especially if it's a trader or a store or something. So there's a shotgun in there that's spawned through the JSON file. Now if you don't have Dayz Edit on, you don't know how to go in and change it through Dayz Edit on, switch it to something else. There's also something pretty cool that you can do. So if you go back to the files, go back to your custom folder, and find which file it is that you want to change something for. So that shotgun, this shotgun here, we can change it to anything that we want. But bear in mind,
the way the shotgun's placed might not be ideal for other things. So like say what I put something weird like a car door. The car door might be placed weird and you might not be able to pick it up and stuff, but for other guns it should be pretty easy and simple to change and it should be straight there. So this file with the shotgun inside it is this json.json file, which is the safe one. So you get here, get into the coding, quick search it, press F3, and then I don't remember what the shotgun's called, it's the BK. Right, so there's also rubber slugs for the shotgun, the MP133 shotgun, so that's the shotgun inside there. I think there's more than one shotgun, it's just placed in the exact same place, so these shotguns you can turn into anything else. You can turn it into an LAR and then turn the rubber slugs into LAR clips, and then you've got an LAR ready to go instead of a shotgun. So if there's something in your file that you don't like and you've got to change, you can always do it right there. And it's easy as fuck. All you need to do is go into what you probably should do is go into your types folder. For the types folders, everything in the game that spawns M4s from rocks on the floor to M4s, fastest explosives, everything in the game. So database, types, let it load. Hopefully yours is fucking faster than mine. F3 and quick search, so see what I put an M4 instead of a shotgun. Just type in M4. Why is this being there? Right, so for quickness, let's say you wanted an AKM. So copy the type name, this AKM. Copy. Go back to the JSON, and then where it says name is the type name. So we just copied the AKM. So paste over the shotgun, the MP133 shotgun codes. It will put AKMs there instead of shotguns, and then you can put 300 round drums, 75 round drums, whatever you want there as well. Through the online coding, or you can do it on Notepad++, which is probably better. Make sure you don't fuck stuff up, because I'm sure if you fuck code up in there, it will tell you, and it's an easy fix rather than having to go into a XML or a JSON validator and check it that way, because it takes too long. So you can also do that, it's cool, but then once you've done that, save your changes and then load up the server. All the custom modded files that you put in will spawn in. If you put the map groups as well, it will spawn and look with them. But yep, that's it. So once you've done that, that's it. It's done. As I say, there's a lot of discords for custom modded files that you can use that people have made and they've got out there free for use and free for edit and stuff. It's pretty good. So yeah, but that's it. That's how to spawn custom files inside the Dayz console itself.